ata diri. Sweetie, warning, if this live doesn't end in 5 seconds, will be banned. Okay, okay, Swifty. Yeah, no problem, Swifty. You can ban my live. It's okay. I'm not afraid, Swifty. Mhm. Go ahead, Swifty, go ahead. Shh. Mm-hmm. Swifty, can I be mod? Go ahead, Swifty. You can ban my channel if you want. Swifty, I was kidding. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Kuya Dudes, mix vlogs. Prank